was thinking yesterday about all of the things that my dad had taught me. You know, all of the morals and valuable lessons, things that make me who I am today. You know, I'm glad for the Heavenly Father that I have today. You know, the one that helps me through all my trials, the one that's gone away and prepared a mansion, you know, for me. Says that eyes haven't seen nor have ears heard. You know, I guess Rob Nickel of Mercy Me penned it best when he wrote the words to a song and he titled it, I Can Only Imagine. You know, you look around at things happening in Charleston, and then you see these people that are being killed just because of their belief in Jesus. You know, it makes me just want to go on that much more. This song says that sounds like home to me. Somewhere just across the Jordan River, is a place of everlasting joy and peace. Oh, there is peace where the tree of life, it is blooming there forever. And a crown of life, it is waiting there for me. And that sounds like home to me. Like where I want to be. There'll be no tears that will dim my eyes again, and the hills will echo with the story as we sing of His grace and glory, where the saints of God will be. Oh, that sounds like home to And they say there's mansions just